Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tosin T. I feel really excited about this video today because I've been super duper sick. The last time I posted a video was like 3 weeks ago, which is not like really far, but it's just like I was being really consistent, so not making a video for 3 weeks felt very weird. I can't even get into all the symptoms right now and everything I was going through, but I was going through a lot, okay? My last full face using all drugstore products did really good. When I posted that video, I was at like 400 subscribers, and now I'm like at 3,000 something. I just really want to just take this time out to say I really appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that like genuinely, you know, messes with me. Like, I really mess with y'all. Before I was a YouTuber, I was a subscriber. I know what it's like to take the effort and say, I like this person, I want to subscribe to them. So just knowing that like 3,000 of y'all said I like her and I want to subscribe makes me feel really good. You're not gonna tell me you don't like me. You're not gonna tell me in these first few seconds of this video you don't think I'm cute. So subscribe right now, okay? If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I feel like I be posting real cute pics, so I feel like y'all need to follow me and y'all need to see that. Like, I be cute on there. I listened to y'all and I got a lot of the products y'all told me that I should try. If you guys want to see how I got this really cute, pretty, simple drugstore makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get right into this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, my nail is broken, so y'all better not try to play with me in the comments, okay? First things first, I'm gonna take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel and I'm gonna moisturize my face, and then I'm gonna take some Mario Badescu Rose Water and spray that. And then we're gonna take our setting powder, which is gonna be our air spun, and we're gonna just pat that in our face. You don't wanna put too much, but just enough to where, like, you know, you filled your pores in. And then after that, I'm gonna take my Milani Dewy setting spray and I'm gonna spray that all over my face and let that set in. So y'all, I'm really sorry. The only thing in here that is not going to be drugstore is this Milk Hydro Primer. But the reason I did that is because, y'all, this is the best primer I've ever tried in my entire life. Like, I understand this is a drugstore routine, but you need to invest in that primer. It's $15 and y'all need to go get it, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this LA Pro Girl Concealer in the orange corrector, and I'm going to just correct the dark spots around my face where I just don't want too much discoloration to peek through that foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation. Y'all, this foundation is so good. It is so good. Like, I don't know what it is, but everything from the Infallible line on that L'Oreal is just quality makeup. Like, y'all need to get this foundation. It's super duper good. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this concealer is really good. It's nice and creamy. So for my dry skin girls, this is going to be the perfect concealer for you. But I'm just going to put that under my eyes, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, a little bit over my lip, and then on my chin. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all that concealer. When I'm blending it out under my eyes, I usually don't drag it out all the way because I don't like the look that gives my face. But just depending on how your face is how you're going to like blend it in. But you guys should let me know if y'all want like a really detailed makeup tutorial where I'm showing y'all like every little tip and trick that I do. So y'all, to contour my face, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. Someone recommended this to me on my last drugstore video, and I was like, let me try this out. And it's actually really good. I like the color. I feel like it was perfect for my skin tone. So yeah, you guys should definitely give this concealer a try. If you know me, you know I got to have a bright under eye, okay? So I'm going to be using my True Match Super Blendable Concealer. This concealer is so good. I feel like it gives you like a hydrating look, and that's why I love it so much, because I just like looking like really hydrated. So y'all should definitely get y'all's hands on this. So y'all, I love me a good little nose contour, so I'm going to use that same CoverGirl concealer to just go ahead and contour and carve out my nose. So to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Airspun setting powder. I feel like it gives like a really nice smooth finish and just brings the whole look together. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the NYX Micro Brow. This is like the best drugstore eyebrow pencil to me. Like, I feel like it gives me the look I want. Eyebrows are very important to me. Like, if my eyebrows look bad, I'm not going out. I don't care. But yeah, if you guys want like a really detailed eyebrow tutorial, let me know. But you guys can just kind of watch me fill in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to just end up concealing them. And I usually like using the base concealer that I used on my face to carve out my eyebrows. I just feel like it makes the look make sense because all the colors are like matching. I don't know, that's just how I do it. So I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush and brush away all that powder that we just put. And if you're still watching this video right now, comment down below you still here, okay? Period. One of my favorite drugstore bronzers is the Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer. They are amazing. The pigment of these bronzers are like perfect for black girls or girls of darker shades. So y'all should definitely get your hands on these. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild for my blush, and I just feel like with blush, like, girl, you can get a $3 blush that will get the job done. Like, as long as it gives you that nice rosy look that you're going for, you're gonna be good. For lashes, I'm gonna apply my Miss 3D lashes in M157, and they are $3.99. So, girl, go ahead and get you that. So we're done applying those lashes, and we're gonna just take this Wet n Wild black pencil and just line the lash line of our eyes. So I'm gonna use this brown lip liner by Maybelline, and when I'm lining my lips, I do this weird thing where I kind of like cross over and go down on the other side. So you see how it's kind of slanted, and then on the other side I kind of cross over on that side. I don't know, it just makes my lip liner, I don't know, it gives it more of like a perfect look. So I'm gonna use my NYX lip stain in the color Athens. This color is really cute to me. Last time I used London, I just feel like this one's better. And then you can never go wrong with some NK Drugstore lip gloss. This lip gloss is so bomb. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild. I'm not too big on highlighter. I just don't like putting a lot. I don't like the way it looks on my face personally, but it's cute on me when I just put a little bit. Oh, because I thought a girl who drugstore makeup don't look like this said something. Alright now. Okay, but we're done with this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.